Chai, make una see CornChaff. Look, CornChaff, look the way I'm stirring it and the thing is still smiling. This is what you call CornChaff. So guys, I recently went into my kitchen because I felt hungry for CornChaff and I decided to cook some. And I said, why not just record how I make my CornChaff and share with you guys. So this is my CornChaff. You can see how it's looking. It's looking very juicy, smells so amazing. So here is every ingredient that you will need. Everything is here except my palm oil that I forgot to add here. So I am going to go ahead and blend my onion, green onions, the celery, garlic and ginger together. And while I was doing that, I put my CornChaff in a pot and I put it on the fire. So this is my CornChaff. This is what makes it CornChaff, combination of corn and beans. You can use any corn that you want. Some people use fresh corn, but I decided to use the corn that was already in a container. All I did was open, rinse and then drain it. So here it is. I went ahead and blended all my ingredients together. So I'm going to add them in there. So I'm also adding my crayfish, I'm adding my country onion, then I'm gonna add my palm oil. I added Maggi and also salt. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a good stir. I'm going to stir it very well so that everything can, mix together in the sorry, I say popcorn, in the CornChaff. I did that, so I'm adding water. You can see I did not add a lot of water because I don't want it to be too watery or too cooked. I added enough water that will cook the ingredients that I put and that will make the corn and the beans soften. So I did that and I have been cooking it for about 5-10 minutes. This is what it's looking like. And after that I allow it again to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. And guys, this was the end result. Look at how it is looking. All the water dried up. I really don't like CornChaff that has a lot of liquid in it. So this is how my CornChaff turned out looking like. And if you are interested, go ahead and try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you guys so much and bye bye.